Hey everyone, welcome to Webhose Cyber Video Blogs. My name is Noah, I'm a senior cyber analyst, and today we'll talk about how to conduct actor profiling using our cyber API. So basically, actor profiling is a research methodology that allows us to create an identity for an anonymous actor on the dark web. We'll be looking for a phone number, a wallet ID, or an email address that is connected to the actor in order to create a profile. So let's get started. Let's say we're interested in any kind of information about the author Wicker.Baron-Med. This is an actor that sells different kinds of substances in the dark web, specifically in a forum named D&M Avengers. So let's say we want to create a query that will retrieve any kind of contact detail or social network identifier related to this author. We'll create a query which will contain our entities filters, which you can see right here on the screen. We'll retrieve any post containing the author's name and one of the following. It can be either an email address or a phone number or a wallet ID or any kind of indication that we have a Telegram, Wicker, or Skype identifier, a nickname. So when we run this query, what we can find are posts written by the author, obviously. And if we scroll down, what we can see here is an email value, two phone values, and one wallet ID. So what we can do next is basically create another query containing all kind of identifier that we have detected in the last query. So we have here the email, the two phones, and the wallet ID, and also the Wicker nickname that we have found. We exclude from this query, and this is important, we actually exclude the author name that we already know in order to find any new authors that use the same identifiers, contact details, and etc. So once we run this query, we can find different authors using the same identifiers and contact details. For example, this is a new author, not Wicker.Baron-Med, that uses the same email as the last author we saw and the same phone. We can also see it here. This is another author using the same email and phones. So after a deeper analysis of the data we just saw, we were able to connect different contact details such as wallet, email, and phone to our actor, which is Wicker.Baron-Med. We were also able to find more than 7 different authors using the same contact details as Wicker.Baron-Med, which necessarily indicates some kind of connection between them. Those actors could be either different nicknames of the same person or actually a part of a larger group. So this is just one example of how we can connect different identifiers to the same actor and conduct actor profiling using Webhose Cyber API. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.